Raised edge on grip. Enhanced feel. Available in black. Product _type, sport _racket. Top reviews from the United States. Good quality product. I had a little trouble installing this grip. Of course, this is the second time I have ever redone the wrap on a racket handle. I had trouble getting the spacing right as I wound the wrap up the handle. Eventually I got it close enough to right, and then the next tricky part was getting the angle right when cutting off the excess material at the top of the handle. The supplies tape that comes with the kit to secure the wrap at the top stretches nice and tight, and overall this product is good quality. The feel in my hand is comfortable and also feels very secure.